dogs, and there's cat. Overload. Our dirty kitchen is overload. There is a cat, mini cat, and there is an egg. And of course here I'm cooking cornmeal. And of course here beside there is a yeah. This is couple rabbits. Oh, this is overload. Overload.